Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to switch server in Mobile Legends. When you switch servers in Mobile Legends, then you'll be switched to different region server. Your progress, ranks, heroes and items won't transfer between servers, so you'll start fresh on new server. To switch server in Mobile Legends, first open your Mobile Legends application on your mobile phone. Now here you need to make sure that you are logged into your Mobile Legends gaming account. With this, now here you can see the interface. Now you can see your gaming ID name on the top left corner. Tap on your gaming ID on the top left corner. Then here you can see account option on the left side. Tap on account. Then on the right side you can see switch server option. Tap on switch server. You can see your current server on top and you can see the available servers on down. Here you can see I have one available server. Now tap on the server in which you want to switch. After this, tap on switch server option on down. With this, your server will be switched. Now you need to restart the game so that you can start fresh on your new server. For this, tap on OK option and then your Mobile Legends will restart again and then your server will be changed. Here you can see your different interface from the previous one. As you can see here, my server has been changed. This is how we can switch server in Mobile Legends. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.